Okay, guys. Welcome, World History. This is your last content day of the week. This will actually be for Thursday because I'm giving you Tuesday and Wednesday to do the Korean War assignment. So this will actually be your Thursday assignment here. And we're just really going to finish up this section with the Cuban Missile Crisis. I'm going to give you a real nice short but very entertaining video that's going to detail the Cuban Missile Crisis really well. We want to know what factors led to the Cuban Missile Crisis. Whoops, sorry. Let me get you. Okay. Yeah. So, like it says here, you're gonna watch the following short video and then answer the following questions in a half-page minimum. And you're going to answer the question: what would have happened if no resolution would have been reached in the Cuban Missile Crisis? Meaning, what would have happened if we wouldn't have ended up how it did, which you're going to see when you watch this video. Um, Again, a very entertaining video. Remember that all of this happens under the umbrella of the Cold War.
To fly a rocket ship.
Yeah, we're not worried about you, guy. Okay, so you'll watch this TED Talk, Cuban Missile Crisis, focus on how this existed in a world where we saw each other as hated enemies. That it's a world where we do not believe that we can coexist. That one of us must live and one of us must die. And in 1962, during the Cuban Missile Crisis, it is essentially the closest the world has ever come to actually ending. We are a breath away from nuclear war. I want you to see the main players here. President Kennedy as our president, Nikita Khrushchev as the Soviet premier, essentially the president of the Soviet Union. And of course, the third player is Fidel Castro, who has become the dictator down in Cuba. And it's important because Cuba is very close to America. It's only about 90 miles away from Florida. And by placing missiles on that island, it means that every city in America is under direct threat from nuclear annihilation at the push of a button. And Americans we just cannot accept that. And so we're going to have a world-defining standoff, which you will see in this video. Okay, so you watch your video and then you will come back and you will answer what would have happened, in your opinion, if no resolution would have been reached in the Cuban Missile Crisis. I'm not looking for a crap answer. I want you to think about it. Put yourself in this situation. What could have happened? And then I want you to write very well about what you think could have happened. Okay? All right. Again, if you have any questions, virtual hours 12 to 12:15. Email me at any time if you need.